Hello friends, I hope you are well and safe. Last video in A, part 1, we have discussed about the problem number 2. In that we have got calculated excess capital. There were three partners A, B, C. Their profit sharing ratio were 3:2:1, and we got the final excess capital. C's, C has hold 5,000 amount and B become nil. A already nil. Now we will discuss about the order of payment. Order of payment. Now this particular problem, order of payment, is very simple to calculate. First of all, if you see our problem, there is no liability, there is no creditors, there is no bills payable, there is no loan, so no need to pay the liabilities. So what we have to do now, first of all, we have to pay partner's capital. The person who hold the final excess capital pay first. Now C has hold 5,000 amount of the final excess capital, so we have to pay first to partner C. Paid to partner C. And how much amount we have to pay? Rupees 5,000. To pay to partner C, rupees 5,000. Then second order, that is which amount paid after the payment to partner C. Now before the final excess capital, the excess capital of the C was 10,000. So from this 10,000, 5,000 already paid. Now rest of the value remain 5,000, and B's value of excess capital was 10,000 before the final excess capital. So we have to pay to B and C. How much amount we have to pay are rupees 10,000 and rupees 5,000 respectively. It means we have to pay B 10,000 and C 5,000. Okay, I hope you understood. Now there is no any other excess amount. The rest of the whatever value remain, that amount we will pay to all partners. Pay to all partners as per their profit sharing ratio. I hope you understood the order of payment. It is very important how we will calculate the order of the payment. Here, first of all, final excess capital pay first, then the person hold the final excess capital before the before the excess capital. Whatever excess capital was there, that amount we have to pay. The 10,000 amount was there. B's and C's amount already 10,000 was there, but we have already paid the 5,000. The rest of the value 5,000 we have to pay. Then any amount of money remain, that will be paid to the all partners as per their profit sharing ratio. Okay, I hope you understood this order of the payment. Now let us discuss about the important part, that is statement showing the piecemeal distribution of the cash. How we will draw? So first of all, particulars, cash available, partners A, B, C. Now if you see the cash available, if it is there in our asset side, there is no cash, they are not provided any amount of cash, so there is no cash, cash is nil. Then whenever we have to write the partner A, B, C's balances, we have to consider the adjusted capital. Now adjusted capital of the A, B, C, 30,000, 30,000, 20,000. The same amount we have to consider, 30,000, 30,000 and 20,000. Okay, so these are adjusted capital consider for balance brought down. Now we don't have the balance, we don't have the money. Now what we have to do? The partnership sold their assets. So whatever amount will come, it will be distributed among the partners as per their profit sharing ratio. And they sold the assets gradually, slowly, step by step. This as per the demand, and it will not sell all asset in one shot. They will sell all asset gradually, slowly, and it requires 3 to 6 months, and sometime more than 6 months also. In our problem, the partnership is dissolved and assets are realized. Realized means sold as follows. First realization. Now they have this 80,000 amount of assets. From this 80,000, some part of the portion of the asset they sold, and they got 11,000 rupees. This 11,000 rupees we have to put here. First, which date it was there is no date, so we will directly put here first realization, and how much amount they received, 11,000. Now this 11,000 we will distribute it among the partners as per their profit sharing ratio. Now in our problem, they are provided the profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. So less paid to, but we will not pay to all partners this 11,000. We have a order of payment also. We will not pay directly, this distributed as per profit sharing ratio. We prepare order of payment, and on that basis we will pay. The order of payment we have already discussed. So first of all, paid to partner C 5,000. So we will pay the 5,000 to partner C. So less paid to C. How much amount? 5,000. Okay, so 5,000 deducted from cash available, and it is deducted from the C's capital also. To balance available after payment to C. So here 11,000 minus 5,000, 6,000, and 20,000 minus 5,000, rest of the value 15,000. Then see the order. After paid to C 5,000, next payment to B and C are rupees 10,000 and 5,000 respectively. So next payment 10,000 and 5,000, B and C. But 10,000 and 5,000 total amount, if you see that total amount 10,000 and 5,000, total amount rupees 15,000. and we have a available balance of cash only 6,000. It's not possible to pay this all amount 11,000 to BNC, 15,000 to BNC. This particular 15,000, it is not possible because partnership firm have only 6,000 amount. Now how it is paid? So less paid to B and C as per profit sharing ratio, as per their profit sharing ratio. Now we will pay this particular amount as per their profit sharing ratio. Now we know that our profit sharing ratio is there, that is 3 is to 2 is to 1, 3 is to 2 is to 1, 3 is to 2 is to 1. Now B is sharing 2 and C is sharing 1, and we have to distribute it only 6,000 amount to B and C. The how we will distribute it? So 2 is to 1, this ratio we will use here. 6,000 into 2 divided by 1. 6,000 into 2 divided by 1. That basis divided by not a 1. This is total of the ratio, total of the both the ratios, divided by 3. So 6,000 into 2 divided by 3. How much amount will come? Can you guess? Divided by 3. It's 4,000. It's 4,000. And here C's share 6,000 into the profit sharing ratio 1 and divided by total share 3. So it will come 2,000. See that 6,000 amount we distributed among B and C, these two partners, 4,000 and 2,000 as per their profit sharing ratio. Now we will write here balance. Now how much amount of balance available? 6,000 minus 6,000, nil. There is no balance remaining. Now from this 30,000, 4,000 paid, rest of the amount remain, that is 30,000 minus 4,000, that is 26,000, and 15,000 minus 2,000, that is 13,000. So these things you have to keep in mind. After that, after payment to B and C 6,000 amount, B received only 4,000 as per his profit sharing ratio, and C received 2,000 as per his profit sharing ratio. Now rest of this particular amount we deducted from his balance brought downs, and remaining amount is 26,000 and 13,000. Now if you see that our order of payment, we have to pay 10,000 to B and 5,000 to C, but we paid only 4,000 to B and 2,000 to C because of the less amount we have. Now what we have to do? Then we have to see the second realization, and they received 15,000, this particular amount. So we have to write here second realization, and they received 15,000 amount. Now see that friends, if you see that in our order we have to pay 10,000 to B and 5,000 to C. We paid only 4,000 to B and 2,000 to C. Now we have a sufficient amount to pay the remaining balance. It means from this particular 10,000 we paid only 4,000. The rest of the 6,000 we have to pay right now. And from this 5,000 of the C we already paid only 2,000 amount. It means 3,000 now we have to pay, because 9,000 this amount we can easily pay from this second realization. 9,000 this full amount we can easily pay from this second realization. So this particular amount we will pay from. So less paid to B and C. How much amount? 9,000. So we will here 6,000 and 3,000. So from this 9,000 they paid rupees 6,000 to B and rupees 3,000 to C. Okay, now balance available. From this 15,000, 9,000 paid, rest of the balance 6,000. From this 26,000, rest of the balance 20,000. And from this 13,000, rest of the balance 10,000 of C. Now still we have a balance 6,000. This particular money is available. Now as per the order of the payment, after the payment, second payment, third, this is or third order paid to all partners as per their profit sharing ratio. So whatever amount remain, that we will pay to all partners as per their profit sharing ratio. So less paid to all as per profit sharing ratio. And you know that profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. That basis we have to pay. How much balance is there? 6,000. The 6,000 amount we have to pay to the A. So how much? So 6,000 into his profit sharing ratio 3. So multiply by 3. Multiply by 3 and divide by total of the profit sharing ratio. 3 plus 2 plus 1, it means 6, divided by 6. Now can you find out this amount? How much will come? Yes, any guess? Can you find out? 6,000 into 3 divided by 6, amount will come 3,000. Then after that, B's share from this 6,000 that we have to find out. 6,000 into his profit sharing ratio 2. His profit sharing ratio is 2 divided by 6. Can you find out the value? How much will be the share of the B? 6,000 into 2 divided by 6. The value will be 2,000 is a share. Then C's profit sharing ratio is 1. So we have to find out his share. 6,000 into 1 divided by 6. Now you have to find out this value. It will be 1,000. Okay, so 6,000 amount of cash distributed among the partners as per their profit sharing ratio. I hope you understood. Okay, so available balance. Balance available nil. There is no amount remain. Balance is nil. What about A's balance? A's value 30,000 was there. From this 30,000, A received only 3,000. The rest of the amount remain 27,000 capital. What about the B's? From this 20,000 balance, 2,000 received. The rest of the value remain 18,000. 10,000 minus 1,000. Rest of the value 9,000. Okay, I hope you understood. Now, in our order, there is no any other order, or there is no other things. Only third order we have to follow for our realization money. Now there is no balance. Now we have to see the third and final realization, and they received rupees 24,000. So we will write here third and final realization, and from this realization they received 24,000. 24,000 is amount received. Now this 24,000 we will distribute it among the partners as per their profit sharing ratio. So less paid to all as per profit sharing ratio. Full amount we have to pay as per their profit sharing ratio. Now how we will find out this particular value? 24,000 into 3 is profit sharing ratio 3 divided by 6. Then after that 24,000 into 2 divided by 6, and C's calculation, how we will find out? 24,000 into 1 divided by 6. That basis we have to find out all partners balances, all partners shares. Now first of all we have to find out is shares. Can you find out? 24,000 into 3 divided by 6, it's a 12,000 share of part. Then B's we have to find out. 24,000 into 2 divided by 6, 8,000 is the share of B. And C's share we have to find out. 24,000 into 1 divided by 6, so you will get 4,000 value. So this particular value, now if you see that balance 24,000 minus 24,000, there is no balance remain. There is no balance remain. What about 27,000 minus 12,000? 27,000 minus 12,000. The rest of the value rupees 15,000. 18,000 minus 8,000. Rest of the value 10,000. 9,000 minus 4,000. Rest of the value 6,000. So see friends, we got these values. What we have to write here? It is a loss. Loss on realization. Loss on realization. And this loss we got after the payment of all realization money to all partners. You see that this particular answer is very simple to calculate. How we will calculate? You understood this, you can easily get good marks. Okay, the problem is over. I hope you understood. Thank you.